my viewers. It's another day that the Lord has given us. Hope you've been following my YouTube channel for recipes. And today I'm going to make fresh gnocchi in creamy sauce. Stay tuned to the end. For the ingredients, I have my mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes, what I did, I just peeled the potatoes and put in hot boiling water with salt and let it cook, and then I mash it, as you can see. I also have wheat flour, salt, dhania, eggs, and strips of tomato. For the dhania and strips of tomato, I'll use it for garnishing. I also have my cream sauce that I've already made, which is here. First of all, I have my mash here. I'll add my eggs to the mashed potatoes. I put 2 eggs. Then I mix it. I'm going to add wheat flour little by little as I mix to a stiff dough. I'll add little salt, just a half teaspoon. Then you knead your dough. I'll use my hand. I want to transfer my dough to the surface for me to knead it well. Make sure it doesn't stick on the surface. This is how it's supposed to be. I'm going to divide it into 2. Then I roll out. Just roll until you get something like this long one. After rolling it up, I'm going to use this to divide it, to shape it, just like that. You get something like this. Just do like this until you finish up everything. This is how they're supposed to be. Then you put your water on heat, let it boil, and put a little salt. Then you blanch them in the hot water. Put little salt. Then get my fresh gnocchi and let them boil. For the creamy sauce, if you want to know how to make this sauce, check on my YouTube channel. On the creamy spaghetti and creamy mushroom sauce, you'll know how to make the cream sauce. When they start floating, it shows that they are ready. They're ready. I remove them from water. After removing from water, you sprinkle with olive oil. Olive oil helps it from not sticking together. Sprinkle olive oil. Mix, and then you put in your sauce. Let them cook for 2 minutes and then you serve. As you can see, it's ready to serve. Serve it on a pasta plate. After serving, I'm going to garnish it with dhania. If you have parsley, you can use parsley or basil. And some strips of tomato. Just for garnish. You can use anything to garnish. As you can see, this is my end product. Remember my YouTube channel, it's Chef Sarah's Kitchen. Remember, as you eat and enjoy, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bon appetit!